Metalworking fluids are used to reduce heat and friction and to remove metal particles in industrial machining and grinding operations. There are numerous formulations ranging from straight oils to water-based fluids, which include soluble oils and semi-synthetic and synthetic fluids. When metalworking fluids are used, a primary concern is the presence of contaminants that encourage the growth of bacteria and fungi. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration reports that millions of workers engaged in the manufacture of automobiles, farm equipment, aircraft, heavy machinery, and other hardware are exposed to machining fluids. The agency goes on to warn that metalworking fluids can cause adverse health effects through skin contact with contaminated materials, spray, or mist, and through inhalation from breathing metalworking fluid mist or aerosol. Regarding exposure risks, OSHA offers the following words of caution. While metalworking fluids are used by many workers safely, problems can develop when good hygiene practices are not followed or when fluids are not properly managed or maintained. Major health concerns of improperly managed fluids or when good hygiene practices are not followed include skin irritation, allergic contact dermatitis, irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat, and occasionally breathing difficulties such as bronchitis or asthma. Although rare, some workers have contacted hypersensitivity pneumonitis from improperly managed fluids. The condition is an allergic type reaction in the lungs that may be caused by exposure to certain microbial products. Hypersensitivity pneumonitis is marked by chills, fever, shortness of breath, and a deep cough, similar to a cold that will not go away. To help protect workers from exposure risks, potential hazards due to metalworking fluids are addressed in specific OSHA standards for general industry, maritime, and construction. These are just a few of the many things to know about metalworking fluids and occupational exposure risks. To learn more about this or other industrial hygiene, indoor air quality, environmental health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.